Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily silence unknown callers on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings. In the settings you need to find phone option, and here you will see, and in the end of the list you will see call silence and blocked contacts. So here you will see option silence unknown callers. So just click it, and here you can see that this function, what this function actually does. So you can see here, sorry, I open blocked contacts. So here you can see calls from unknown numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recents list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. So just click here to enable this option and it will successfully enable. If you want to disable it, just click again and it will successfully disable. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.